upbeat music playing. Hey there, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to the channel where we help you make the smartest purchases without the headache. Today, we've got a drone showdown that's hotter than a summer barbecue. On the left, we have the Visni newest drone, and on the right, the TiziToy brushless motor drone. Buckle up, because we're about to take flight and see which drone deserves a spot in your tech arsenal. First up, let's talk about those cameras. Visni comes in with a 2K HD camera that's manually adjustable up to 90 degrees. It's perfect for capturing those accidental mid-air collisions in high definition. Reviewers appreciate that it's decent for its price point, but note that the lack of an electronic stabilizer affects image quality. Meanwhile, TiziToy brings the heat with a 4K camera and a 120-degree adjustable lens. If Visni is the selfie stick, TiziToy is the full-on drone paparazzi. 4K resolution means you can capture every moment in crystal clear detail. Reviewers rave about its stunning visuals and overall camera performance. Winner here, TiziToy, hands down. It's like comparing a flip phone camera to a DSLR. Next, let's talk about flight time. Visni offers 30 minutes with its two 1,800 mAh batteries. That's enough time to explore and maybe even spy on that backyard barbecue. Reviewers are generally satisfied with the flight time, but wish the batteries lasted longer. TiziToy, however, gives you 40 minutes with its two 1,600 mAh batteries. That's an extra 10 minutes to perfect your aerial acrobatics, or, let's be real, crash into more trees. Reviewers love the extended flight time, making it a favorite for extended adventures. TiziToy takes the cake here too. More flight time means more fun and more chances to get stuck in a tree. Now, let's see which one of these bad boys is easier to pilot. Visni prides itself on being beginner-friendly with one-button takeoff, landing, and 3 speed modes. It's like the drone equivalent of training wheels, perfect for the kids or your tech-challenged uncle. Reviewers find it easy to control, but mention some issues with connectivity and rotor functionality. TiziToy, on the other hand, comes with a detailed tutorial and 24-hour customer service. Plus, it has gesture control and a low battery warning. It's like having a drone that comes with its own IT support team. Reviewers appreciate the ease of use and extensive support, although some have faced issues with customer service. Honestly, TiziToy is like the overachieving student who does all the extra credit. Another win for TiziToy. All right, let's get into durability and those sweet extras. Visni has a stable altitude hold function and comes with a carrying case. It's like the Boy Scout of drones, always prepared. However, some reviewers have noted issues with durability over time. TiziToy, however, has brushless motors, extra spare fan blades, and a strengthened exterior. It's basically the Hulk of drones. And don't forget, it comes with a storage bag and an electronic fence function to keep it from going rogue. Reviewers highlight its durability and the useful extras that come with it. TiziToy wins again. It's built like a tank and has more extras than a Marvel movie. Overall, reviewers find the Visni newest drone to be a budget-friendly option that's easy to control and comes with useful features, although it has some connectivity and durability issues. On the other hand, the TiziToy brushless motor drone is praised for its impressive camera quality, extended flight time, ease of use, and robust build, although some users have faced customer service challenges. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking for a budget-friendly drone with decent capabilities, Visni is a solid choice. But if you want to go all out and get the drone that feels like it came from Tony Stark's lab, TiziToy is the way to go. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, fly safe and buy smart. Upbeat music playing, see you in the next video. P.S. If you crash your drone, don't blame us. We're just here to help you make the smart buy, not the smart fly.